Hi guys, earlier we created a video on generative AI music comparing Suno and Audio. You can find the video on this link now. Suno has released a new improved model, the version 3.5. Let's see if it is helpful for generating music in Hindi. Hi, let's start with the Suno website. So we are on the Suno website. It's suno.com/create, and you can try this custom and non-custom options. But before we jump into the songs, just a few keywords that we can use with Suno. So this is the Suno wiki. You can check, and there are a couple of important tags that we need to have. So one of them is verse and the chorus. So individual song segment, we have to classify it as a verse, and the repetitive segment as chorus. So it will give some more details to Suno model to generate a better song. Apart from that, there are some structured tags as well. So you can have intro, hook, or break. These are the important structures that you can provide to Uno, sorry, Suno. And apart from that, we can have tags like outro as well. Now, let's go to Suno to generate a song. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this song first. So, I just googled the lyrics, and I'm going to import the same in Suno. So I'm going to provide the lyrics, and I'll just give it a tag as well. So here we have got our verse, the lyrics that I copied. Then I have input few styles as Bollywood, Hindi, and pop, and provided a name to the title, and we'll just create it. Now here are the two songs that has been created. Let's just play the first one.
हो तो तुम यहाँ गए हकीकत कौन हो तुम तेरे से कितानी दिल खड़ी हो और करीब आ जाओ सुबह पे जिस तरह शाम का हो गुमान सुबह पे जिस तरह शाम का हो गुमान जुल्फों में एक चेहरा कुछ जाहिर कुछ निहार ख्वाब हो तुम या कोई हकीकत कौन हो तुम बताओ वो तेरे से
Yeah, the song looks good. Now let's try the second one.
ख्वाब हो तुम या कोई हकीकत कौन हो तुम बताओ देश की तानी दुखदी हो और करीब आ जाओ सुबह पे जिस तरह शाम का गुमान सुबह पे जिस तरह शाम का गुमान जुल्फों में एक चेहरा कुछ जाहिर कुछ निहार ख्वाब हो तुम या कोई हकीकत
So overall, the sound and the song was quite good. There are some pronunciation issues, some words that has been mispronounced, but overall it's quite good experience. So now here we inputted the words in English. We can do the same thing with Hindi as well. So let's try out the same song with Hindi lyrics, and here we have actual provided proper tags. So there's this intro, verse, chorus, and all different tags that has been provided correctly. So let's try with this. So I'll use this one. So now, yeah, just make sure that your tags are correct, and there could be some. So I've used the same style of music, Bollywood, Hindi, pop, and provided a title. Let's create. So next songs are ready. Let's see how Suno would have done the, the Hindi language or Hindi input songs. I'll start from the second this time.
हाँ तुम या कोई हकीकत कौन हो तुम बतलाओ दिल से कितनी दूर खड़ी हो और करीब आ जाओ सुबह पे जिस तरह शाम का हो गुमान सुबह पे जिस तरह शाम का हो गुमान जुल्फों में एक चेहरा कुछ जाहिर कुछ निहार ख्वाब तुम या कोई हकीकत कौन हो तुम बतलाओ हो देर से कितनी दूर खड़ी हो
It has provided a lot of Bollywood kind of a tune. Now let's try the first song.
और उदित है शाम को कौन हो तुम बतलाओ देर से कितनी दूर खड़ी हो और करीब आ जाओ सुबह पे जिस तरह शाम का हो गुमा सुबह पे जिस तरह शाम का हो गुमा जुल्फों में एक चेहरा कुछ जाहिर कुछ निहार और हो तुम या कोई हकीकत कौन हो तुम बतलाओ ओ देर से कितनी दूर खड़ी हो और करीब आ जाओ ख्वाब हो तुम या
So here also it has provided a bit of a Bollywood and pop kind of a fusion. Now I'm going to try one more song. So this is Pal Pal Dil Ke Paas. I'm copying the same structure from the website, and let's see. Probably need to do some cleanup. Tags will be the same, and now let's create a song. So let's try the second one first.
बचपन के पास तुम रहती हो बचपन के पास तुम रहती हो जीवन मीठी प्यास ये कहती हो हर शाम आंखों पर तेरा आंचल लहराए, हर रात यादों की बारात ले आए। मैं सांस लेता हूँ, तेरी खुशबू आती है, एक महका महका सा पैगाम लाती है। मेरे दिल की धड़कन भी तेरे गीत गाती है, पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो।
Yeah, it's quite a pop touch to the song that has been added. Now let's try the first one.
हर शाम आंखों पर तेरा आंचल लहराए, हर रात यादों की बारात ले आए। मैं सांस लेता हूँ, तेरी खुशबू आती है, एक महका महका सा पैगाम लाती है। मेरे दिल की धड़कन भी तेरे गीत गाती है, पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो।
Uh, Here also it has added a bit of a Bollywood and pop touch, but overall a good different experience, I will say this. So these are a really good way to create the Hindi songs. Suno provides different options for audio generation and seems to be working perfectly for Hindi songs as well. We experimented with a few select tags like Bollywood, Hindi, and pop, but you can explore the range and try creating new songs with different styles. We also tried with English and Hindi lyrics, and some word pronunciations do differ. Following the song structure also yields good result. Overall, Suno provides excellent capabilities to quickly create songs with your own lyrics and style. Will it replace the musicians or musicians will rule with the help of Suno? Time will tell. For some such technical videos, subscribe to our channel B2Q Innovations.